Drizzle with delight, understanding this tasty English phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a flavorful expression in the English language. Drizzle with. This phrase is commonly used in cooking contexts, but it's also a great example of how English uses vivid imagery to convey actions. Let's dive into what it means and how to use it effectively. Drizzle with is a culinary term that describes the action of pouring a liquid or semi-liquid substance over food in a thin, steady stream. It's often used to add flavor, moisture, or visual appeal to a dish. The key aspect of drizzling is its gentleness and precision, unlike pouring or dumping. To understand drizzle with in a cooking context, let's look at some examples. Drizzle the salad with olive oil. This means to lightly pour olive oil over the salad. Drizzle the cake with chocolate syrup. Here, chocolate syrup is being gently poured over the cake in a thin stream. Now, let's practice using this phrase in sentences. For the final touch, drizzle the dish with some lemon juice. She likes to drizzle her pancakes with lots of maple syrup. While drizzle with is mainly used in cooking, it can also be found in other contexts where a light, steady pouring action is described, such as in art or gardening. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase drizzle with confidently in your English conversations, especially if you love talking about food. Remember, it's all about adding that gentle touch to make your language as flavorful as your dishes. Happy learning and see you in the next video.